yo, so today I just want to show you how to disable the startup apps. Sometimes some of them they are not needed at all, so they just slow down your computer, and there is an easy way to disable them. So first, let's go right click the Windows icon here, and then let's go to Task Manager. Let's maximize. So we are in processes. Let's go to startup. As you can see, guys, I do have a few ones enabled, and to be honest, I just want to disable some of these apps. They just slow down my system. So for example, I just want to disable this one. Just I right click and disable. I just want to leave hotkeys, but I want to disable smart meeting. I don't need Loom. I don't need Edge. Yeah, that's it, guys. So I disable like 6 apps. So now my system is gonna be faster. Thank you.